Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about Mohr titration. So our group member is Kira, Damia, Farah and Rauda. We are going to talk about working principle, application in food industry and the procedure of Mohr titration.
Mohr titration method is a classical precipitation titration used to determine chloride and other halide concentration by titrating with silver nitrate using potassium chromate as an indicator. I will explain about the working principle on how Mohr titration works. First of all, our titrant is silver nitrate. It supplies Ag+ ions that react with chloride in the sample. Our indicator is potassium chromate. Chromate is not consumed while chloride is present because Ag+ preferentially precipitates chloride as silver chloride. Only after chloride is exhausted will Ag+ react with chromate to produce a visible red-brown silver chromate precipitate. The color change is the visual endpoint. For the titration process, we need to put our sample, which contains chloride, in the titration vessel, and a few drops of potassium chromate indicator must be added. The solution is yellow from chromate. Then, standardized AgNO3 is slowly added while stirring. The primary reaction will forms white precipitate. Silver chloride forms as a white solid and remove Ag+ from solution while chloride remains. As long as Cl- remains, Ag+ is consumed by forming AgCl. When essentially all chloride has been consumed, the next Ag+ added can no longer form AgCl and instead reacts with chromate. The first persistent reddish-brown color indicates the endpoint.
The third one, endpoint detection. Once all the chloride ions have reacted, any excess silver nitrate remains in the solution. These excess silver ions react with the potassium chromate indicator, forming a red color due to the formation of silver chromate, Ag2CrO4. The red color indicates the endpoint of the titration. The last one is calculation. The amount of chloride present is calculated by measuring the volume of silver nitrate used to range the endpoint.
Application in food analysis. First, determination of sodium chloride and HCl in food. This is the most common application of Mohr titration in food analysis. Food analyzed such as processed meat, cheese and dairy product, pickled food, snack food such as chips, and lastly canned soup and sauce. Second, salt content in brine solution. This is used to control concentration in preservation process, for example in olives, pickles, or fish. Lastly, monitoring salt in dairy industry. Commonly, salt is used to control flavor, texture, and microbial activity.
Requirement of Mohr titration is burette, conical flask, pipette, analytical or digital balance, 0.1 m silver nitrate solution, potassium chromate solution, and distilled water. The first procedure is fill the burette with a prepared solution of 0.05 n AgNO3. Then pipette out 10 ml of sodium chloride solution and pour in a stoppered conical flask. Then add 1 ml of 2% natural potassium chromate indicator. Then, by shaking the liquid continually, titrate it with 0.05 and silver nitrate solutions until the red color formed by each drop of AgNO3 solution begins to fade more slowly. This indicates that the majority of the chloride has participated and the endpoint is approaching. Lastly, Repeat the titration with further allocates of dilute seawater until concordant solutions are obtained.
Thank you for watching. Bye.